Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Anja. I'm very happy to have you here today and thank you for joining our virtual online community here on YouTube. This video is designed for anyone working from home. It is also there for anyone who just wants to get a good stretch, but I thought, because I'm currently working from home as well, I just kind of put myself back into that position on how I feel during the day and what stretches really help me either quickly throughout the day when you're sitting on the chair doing something, or maybe over lunchtime if you have a gap where you can practice some yoga. So hopefully this will give you some idea and inspiration, and please turn this video on anytime you feel like you need to bring some movement back into your body. Thanks for joining in. So we begin our working from home practice, lying down on the floor or lying down on the yoga mat if you have one. Come to lie fully flat on your back. Extend your legs down and then bring your arms up and overhead without grabbing hold of the opposite wrist first. Just bring your hands to about shoulder width apart, your feet to about hip width apart, and then start to flex the toes in toward you. Then point the toes away from you. Again, flex the toes toward you. And then point the toes away. And you will notice that the movement in the legs or your pelvis as well is slightly changing in position. And then start to do the same with your wrists, your hands. It's also a good way to kind of get out of our minds and come back into the body when we do things where we need a bit of coordination. So the same with the hands, the wrists. And then start to rotate your ankles, your feet one way, your wrists one way. And the other way around. And then come to pause. From here, lower your hands, the back of your wrists down onto the mat, and just allow your body to relax for a moment. So your shoulders will automatically soften, your elbows will point out towards either sides, and the feet should just gently flop out. And then closing the eyes, or softening the awareness for a moment completely. And especially, or assume if you're working from home, you're working on a screen, on a computer. Allow your eyes to really find stillness here for a moment. Notice if your forehead feels a bit tight, relax the frown, the area of your forehead, all those muscles around your eyes. And then start to bring your teeth slightly apart and start to open your jaw. So bringing the teeth apart, opening the mouth, and then close your mouth again. I know this is a bit weird to begin with, but it's really good to just let loose a little bit and relax muscles in the body. So again, open your mouth as much as you can. And then gently close your mouth again. We're going to do that one more time. Open your mouth, stretch the jaw muscles. And then gently release and come back to center. And now just gently rock your head from side to side. And we begin this practice very mindfully with a bit of smaller movements and then coming up standing a little bit later. So gently rock the head from side to side. Bring movement into the neck. Notice how this can be quite a nice massage for all those tiny muscles on the skull as well. And as you move the head from left to right, you can bring a bit bigger movements into the neck, bringing the nose toward your armpits or down towards the mat. And start to breathe a little bit deeper than you normally would. Inhaling through the nose, nice deep belly breath. And exhaling through the nose. And then come back to center with your head and lift your knees in and up toward your chest. Wrap your palms around your legs and squeeze your knees fully in toward your body. And as you do that, your low back most of the time may lift, Try to bring your low back again towards the mat. And then bring your arms as tight around your legs as you can. Hold opposite elbows or opposite wrists. And then start to lift your forehead off the mat and curl your whole body into that big ball of yours. So you try to bring the nose towards your knees, knees towards your nose. And you feel how your back is rounding. Here you're squeezing everything towards the midline. Now we take a breath. Inhale fully. And as you exhale, nice and slowly release your back again towards the mat and allow your shoulders to relax. Now from here, lift your legs up towards the ceiling and again point and flex your feet a few times. Hold the back of your thigh, so the back of your calves, wherever you can comfortably reach. And then start to rotate your ankles, your feet one way. Get all these clicks and cracks out, especially if you're working from home. You're probably not doing many steps, change direction. So we want to bring a bit of movement into those joints and then change the direction. Take another deep breath here, in through the nose, out through the nose. Very, very good. And then draw your knees back in towards your chest. Hold onto the back of your thighs. And then let's rock all the way up through cross-legged and then into tabletop, coming onto hands and knees. So your hands are under the shoulders, knees underneath your hip points. And try to really spread your palms wide. So if you're typing on a computer as well, you want to get a bit of good blood flow back into the wrists, and to do that, spread your fingers wide as well. From here, we're going to move through cat and cow, flexion and extension through the spine. So start to drop your belly, lift your chest and your gaze forward, arch your back, and as you exhale, round your back, lift your upper back towards the ceiling. Let's take 4 more rounds. Inhaling, drop the belly, lift your chest and your gaze. Exhale, all the way out. Very nice. Few more rounds. Move with your own breath. And then wherever you are, find your way back to a neutral spine. From here, take your hands, one hand width distance further forward, curl your toes under, and for downward facing dog, lift your hips all the way up and find a nice V shape with your body, a long downward facing dog. So your arms are long, your legs are long. Bend your knees generously so you can lift your hips. The idea here is to stretch the back mainly, because we are sitting for a long time working from home. And then bring any movement into this downward facing dog that feels nice. And depending how experienced you are in yoga, you have a few options that you know you can do. And otherwise you can simply pedal your feet out here. Stretch your heels towards the mat, lift the toes maybe, and breathe. Find back to your body. And then let's take a moment to just come into stillness, a moment to lift the hips, to gently press the fingers, the knuckles down towards the mat. And now from here, lift your heels off the ground, roll forward, come into your plank, and then shift the body forward, bring the knees down first, and then lower your whole body down towards the ground. Bring your fingertips onto either side of your mat for a few cobra waves. The elbows come above the wrists, and then lower the forehead down to begin with. As you inhale now, press the big toes down, press the hips down into the mat, lift your chest, and like a wave, vertebra after vertebra, peel your spine off the mat. Inhale just as high as it feels comfortable for you, and on the out breath, lead forward from your sternum, relax your forehead down. 4 more rounds. Inhale, full breath. We try to open the front body here. Exhale all the way down. 3 more. Inhale. Gently press the fingertips down. Lift up into cobra. Exhale. Couple more rounds. One more round. Inhale. Open through the heart, the chest, an area that gets close up when we work a lot on the PC. Very, very nice. And exhale all the way out. From here, take your hands underneath your shoulders. Tuck your elbows into your side body. Curl the toes under, I wanted to say. And then lift back into tabletop. And then let's come into child's pose, our final posture for this practice. Big toes together, knees as wide apart as you like them to go. Crawl your fingertips forward until you can't reach any further, and then soften the forehead down towards the ground. And as you place the forehead towards the mat, if you're lifted here, that's completely fine. If you do have the forehead on the mat, have a look that you place the forehead down towards the top of the forehead, so you can really lengthen the neck, if that makes sense. And then gently rock the body side to side here. The hips move from left to right, the head as well. Keep stretching the fingertips forward, bring length into your upper body. Allow the hips to open. And then come to stillness and take your hands toward your heels. Grab hold of the heels or simply place your forearms on your thighs. And those last few moments are just there to reset, there to be in stillness with the thoughts, with the body. Reset to find energy for the rest of your working from home day. And stay here as long as you like, as long as you have time to do so. Of course, we could do a much longer practice, but I think it's great to put in a few breaks during the day so you keep your body moving and breathing. And whenever you want to come back to this video, feel free to be here again. Thank you very much for joining in, from my heart to yours. Namaste.